Hey, what's up, guys? We're back with another video today. We are back in Rentail Tycoon.
And I'm going to suck some butts.
Stop it.
I like sucking butts.
So we're just like this. We don't have the best images right now.
We must suck butts.
One down, but we'll get better. So today we're just gonna show you around Walmart, the official Walmart.
Hi, I'm Michael, and I travel at Walmart. I think I
Choose from. There's so much to choose from. Yeah. So we're going to go to Verizon. So this store is, of course, these Verizon. These are really good for shall we? Like there's electronics.
Oh, and a suck butt.
And there's more electronics and cashiers and box one.
Oh my god, that's flying butt. I like the second.
And there's an ice TV.
Booty like butts in the booty like butts.
Oh my god. And do you know what's behind here? Let's check. Oh! I'm a manager now. Let's check the cameras. Just check it. Our customers tolerate us. Oh! So this person, whatever his name is this is his store, I think. If you press shift, you can run. Hold on, let me see. Yep, I can't even see it. So let's look, just like one hit. Just like one hit. It goes up. Like faster than a Bugatti. Well, maybe not. No, I glitched. I don't have VIP though.
Are you recording a video?
Yes, I just died. No, I
Buddha,
don't.
Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Buddha, 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 Buddha.
You said your
Buddha, Buddha, Buddha,
booty.
Buddha.
You said your booty.
She's still using it. She's still using it. Michael likes to suck a booty. I like to suck booties. Butts, the booty like 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 butts.
So let's clean up this area. So I've never seen this actually. It says click me to go to less laggy server. So I'm gonna just press it. What's happening? Okay.
I like to suck Michael's booty. Guys, guess what? Guess what? Michael, to the booty like butts, to the booty like butts, to the booty like butts.
So they are now here.
Butts to the booty like butts, to the booty like butts, butts to the booty like butts, to the booty like butts.
So they are now freshly gone. Now I can put back my stuff because I didn't load it. So I have to put back my stuff. Do I still have the same store? So, we're just going to build back the freezers and then our storage. I don't know why I laugh like that sometimes. Well, I'm an enormous giant butt face. Button booty, button booty. Yeah. Requires a manager with a desk. I think I already got a desk. Yep, see, I already got a desk. Somehow these thingies, people enjoy shopping here. Thanks. I'm kinda dull in here. Well, you're dull. Want dull? No. Get out of here. No. Ouch. Two. How to recipe. What?
Go back.
What? Zero. What? Now I gotta go back. Go to this. Then play some more. Okay.
I want to see when he gets there, Sophia.
Jumped up. Wow! Did you just drop that on the ground? Woo! Next time, if someone drops something on the ground, they're gonna pay for my whole entire shop. Watch me fling away. Oh no! Oh no! No! I think I gotta reset. I'm gonna reset. Ooh, I don't want to. And I am back at Walmart. We're going to see the other places. What? Golden Nem has a 5-star. I think he's never gonna lose that 5-star. I think in other restaurants you can rest other robbers. 10 minutes in. I know that. Okay. Shut up. Okay. You. So this looks like a Walmart actually. Dang. That's a good Walmart. That's a good items. PB4. There's a PB4 play box sale and a Sony sale 20% off and an Xbox sale 100% off. Now he just left. Okay. And when you want to go back, you just press that. Boom! So next, I think it's Connor. We are having seal. That's his restaurant? So, this is all about games and tips. I think he spelled tips wrong. Jewelry. Jewelry is cool. Never wear jewelry though. Oh, I never will. Here's a really good restaurant. Really good. What's behind here? Think it. Can people even? Oh, what's that? And there's these. Okay, there we go. Chocolate bunny. Electronic bunny. Don't look at me, little girl. Mine. So that is Rental Tycoon 2. So Rental Tycoon 2 has more stuff to it. And if you're wondering why there's cars here, that's why it's a version 2. So if you like this video, guys, comment down below what was your favorite Roblox video. And in the future, we will be buying, wait, what did I just see? 70,000, holy damn! Holy damn! That's a lot! Holy crap! Woo! We are having sale. So, hope you like this video. I think I just said that. And in the future, we will be making more game videos until I get a recorder or find a recorder on my tablet. So, hope you like the video. Peace out. Hold up. So, hope you like my area. So, this is a great game. You should play it. It's so good. Peace.